So to update your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro, just go into settings and then go to general and then go to software update. Now it's gonna check online if there's an update available. If there's an update available, like you can see, mine is available. So I'll just tap on update now, enter my passcode, and then the update process should begin. So this particular one is a small update. It tells me 1 minute remaining. So all you have to do is just be patient. And then the update process will begin. So after this, the phone may restart 1 or 2 times, and then it should be good to go. So it's done, and all I have to do now is swipe up, enter my passcode, and you can see software update complete. So that is basically how to update your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.